Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a project with the right frame rate and timecode so clips stay locked. Import your video files and any separately recorded audio into the media pool. This lets DaVinci read their metadata. Once done, make sure both audio files share the same sample rate. 48 kHz is common, so waveforms align predictably. Then open the edit page and switch to waveform view. Seeing shape speeds alignment and reveals drift before you attempt syncing. You now place video on V1 and your external audio on A1 or A2, then zoom the timeline to see waveforms clearly. Use snapping and the slip tool to match peaks visually. Nudge with comma and period keys for frame-accurate shifts. For many clips, select matching takes and use Clip Auto Sync Audio by waveform or timecode to save time. If waveform syncing fails, align a clear transient manually, and then ripple adjust nearby clips to maintain sync across. Finish by disabling or lowering camera onboard audio and setting your clean external track as the primary source so mixes remain consistent. You should scrub through several points in the clip to verify there's no drift. If you find drift, use the retime tool or slice and slip small segments to correct gradual mismatch. If sync repeatedly fails, double-check sample rates and timecode, or if possible reconform using a clap or slate recording. This gives you a reliable reference to resync quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.